Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, in this video we'll discuss question number 21 of NEET physics paper 2017. Students, let us solve question number 21. In a common emitter amplifier, the audio signal voltage across the collector is 3 volt. So in case of a common emitter, this emitter is common. This is the base, this is the emitter, and this is the collector. This is a transistor with the emitter being common. So I'll connect, this is the input circuit and this one is the output circuit. The actual diagram is not required, just to have a idea that this is how is common emitter and this is the base, this is collector. The voltage across the collector, because the signal is amplified and the amplified version is collected here, and it is 3 volt. So 3 volt is the voltage across the collector, output voltage. This is the output voltage. The resistance of the collector, here the resistance is there, is very high resistance is in collector, RC, that is 3 kilo ohm. The current gain is 100, the current gain is beta is 100, and the base resistance is 2 kilo ohm. Here the resistance is in the base, it is 2 kilo ohm. The voltage and the power gain of the amplifier. So the voltage gain you have to find and the power gain you have to find. Okay. The voltage gain equals to, gain is A and the voltage gain is AV, is equal to beta times output resistance upon input resistance, that is resistance in the collector divided by resistance of the base. Beta is 100 and this RC is 3 kilo ohm given, 3 kilo ohm, and which is 2 kilo ohm. So kilo ohm will cancel out and this is actually 150. So the voltage gain is 150 definitely, and that is the answer. 150 is the answer. If you can see that this 150 is there, so this is the answer. You don't have to actually calculate for power gain because 150 is only, this one is the correct answer. But still, if I have suppose another option which is having 150, then I have to calculate this one also, that is power gain. So let us find the power gain. The power gain that is A of power is voltage gain into beta into AV, that is beta is 150, sorry 100, beta is 100 into AV. I got here 150, so I'll have 15000. This power gain is 15000, which is obviously here 15000. So therefore this is the correct answer to this question. Okay, thank you.